Hello friends, welcome to our channel MedicalBazzar. Today we will show you the demo of acco TENS machine 2 channel digital. Before starting the demo, please subscribe to the channel and like the video. This machine comes in a carry bag, gel bottle, 4 wires, 4 pads and a set of strap. Switch on the machine. Attach wire and pads. From here you can set the timer as per your requirement. From here you can set the mode as per your requirement. Modes are continuous, pulse, sweep, then continuous at 20 Hz. Now you will set the timer. After setting the timer, you can increase or decrease the intensity as per your requirement. Intensity up, intensity channel 2, you can see the output indicators. It means the current is coming. Once the treatment is completed, switch off the machine. You can buy this machine online at MedicalBazzar.com. The link will be given in the description below. For latest physiotherapy equipments, please subscribe to our channel. Thank you.